Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by selecting the correct Chrome Vanadium tool, socket, wrench, or bit, matching the fastener size exactly. Once chosen, inspect the tool for nicks, cracks, or corrosion because Chrome Vanadium is strong but will fail at defects. Make sure the fastener and tool surfaces are clean. Debris reduces torque transfer. Secure the workpiece in a vise or clamp so you can apply steady force. Use gloves and eye protection. These simple steps reduce slippage and keep you safe while you begin. Once the tool and workpiece are ready, focus on torque control. You should use a calibrated torque wrench when a torque spec is required. Set it to the manufacturer's value in Nm and recheck. Apply smooth, steady pressure. Chrome Vanadium handles high loads, but sudden impacts concentrate stress and can crack the alloy. If a fastener is seized, apply penetrating oil and let it work. If required, apply careful heat rather than hammering. These steps preserve the tool's temper and ensure precise, repeatable results. To finish, inspect the fastener and Chrome Vanadium tool for wear. Clean with a rag and apply light oil to prevent rust. Store tools in a dry organizer so they retain alignment and temper. If you notice rounding or slipping, stop immediately. Switch to an extractor, larger drive, or impact-rated tool rather than forcing it, because further use risks breakage. If a tool is cracked or deformed, replace it. Do not attempt to reheat, weld, or bend Chrome Vanadium, as you will ruin its heat treatment and safety.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.